Hello, you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle. My name is Mary. I'm delighted to bring this beginner's course to a conclusion today. So the last bit is going to be on how to put the waistband on the trouser. So I'm going to be using a belt of 36 inches long and 3 inches wide. As you can see on the band, I have already ironed the interfacing on it. So I'm going to fold the band into two. So I'm going to give it a notch just to know the center of the belt. I'm marking my center now with the chalk. Because of the design I'm going to create, the design is going to have a V at the back of the belt. So that's why I'm marking it. So I'm going to be marking 1.5 inches wide. But what I noticed was that it was a bit wider. So when you're making yours, just mark 1 inch. 1 inch will be fine. Yeah. So I've marked the V, as you can see, with my chalk there, with 1.5 inches. So when you're marking it, leave half an inch for seam. So I sewed it from the back and I'm going to snip it off. Be careful not to snip it through. So now I'm going to use the scissors or something sharp to push it over, which I have done. And look at the V here for the band. So you can do it while you're sewing or you can do it before you sew. So I'm going to attach it to the center of the trouser. I'm going to go ahead and pin everything. I'm done pinning and I'm going to explain one more thing. To do the front of the band, that is the band where you're going to put button or hook, you leave about 1 inch to the front. And this is how the back is going to look like when you finish sewing. It's absolutely looking so perfect already and it's really nice. I love it. Just keep watching everything. If you don't understand at first, you can go ahead and watch it again. Now that my band has been sewn, I'm going to go ahead and use my pen to push out the edge. Voila, this is awesome. I love it. So I'm still going to top stitch the back in order to lay flat. I'm using black thread here for the purpose of the tutorial so that it will be visible. The band is now ready, looking very unique and awesome. It's looking fantastic. You can imagine if you're wearing a shirt and the V is showing at the back. This is good. And at this point, go ahead and give it a nice press to lay flat and you're good to go. So I'm going to be using pin to hold it for the meantime, as I'm not able to put the button, but you can go ahead and put the button. Please, if this tutorial has been useful to you, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you to my old subscribers, and to the new ones, thank you so much for stopping by to watch. Please share it and let everybody know something is happening here. I appreciate you all. Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and hem the bottom of the trouser. I'm going to be stitching, tacking it instead of sewing. This is magnifique. This is awesome. Lovely looking trouser is ready. I am loving my trouser. If you want to watch more of my tutorial, kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that when next I upload my video, you'll be the first to know. So we've come to the end of the tutorial today. Thank you for staying by, and please do make yours and send me a picture. And if there's anything you want me to make, please kindly drop me a comment and I will make them for you. Thank you so much for staying by. I really appreciate and love you. God bless you. Bye.
I'm using 1.5 inches. So 1.5 inches divided by 2, you have 1 1/8.